the straight tool. Here we have a building with no circulation in it. So if I go to the 3D, you can see that I have nothing to get from one view to another. So if I go back and I see that I have my building, I can't get from one floor to the other. So we need to put a set of stairs in. And so I'm going to put some stairs in here. I'm going to go over to my architecture tab. I'm going to go to stair, stair by component. When I go to the stair by component, I'm going to come up over here in the components. I'm going to go to my run tool and I'm going to use a straight tool. Straight tool, it'll say enter the start. Click to enter the start run point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to go about 2 feet and I'll pick right here on this wall and then I'm going to drag my stairs and I'm going to go over and you'll see it's building the stairs. I'm just dragging the stairs and it's calculating how many feet it is in length. You can see over in my left over here, it's an assembled stairs. It's got a 7-inch max riser and 11-inch tread. It's doing all the calculations right now. And I can go all the way out to here as a maximum. You can see it won't build any longer. It's the longest run of stairs I can make. I can make them shorter a little bit. And you can see once we get down, it's not going to be long enough. So we kind of go out and we stretch out to as many stairs as we can put in into the area, and I'm going to go with, let's say, line up right there, right with that wall. That looks like a good location. I'm going to click, and you'll see then that at this point we have the stairs showing the stairs, and it has the length of the stairs. You can see over here in my parameters, my instance parameters, it goes from the first floor to the second floor. I don't have a base offset. I have an actual run width of 3 feet wide, and I have an automatic landing. And my location line is in the center. That's default. I could move that to the left support, the right support, etc. Also, I have the desired number of steps. I got an actual or 16. Here's my actual tread depth, which is 11 inches, but my riser height had to be adjusted. And I wouldn't probably make the carpenter happy there, but got to go in and take a look at our project settings there. So I ended up with this stairs. Now let's go take a look at it, because when we're working on these things, we need to, one, finish the edit mode. I always remember to finish the edit mode, and it'll come back, says that you get warnings. You get a lot of warnings when you work at stairs. The top end exceeds or cannot reach the top elevation of the stair. Add or remove risers at the top by control or by changing the stairs runs to relative top height parameter in the properties palette. So we didn't have enough stairs to get all the way up to the top, which is fine for now. We can fix that later. Also, we got the direction wrong because I started over here and went up. So, you got to walk into the wall and go around, but we could have flipped that around and stuff. That's no big deal. So I can actually drag that around and say, okay, let's go. Where do we want that to end up? A lot of people don't like that, to have that something like that. And so let's go take a look at this in 3D. So I go to 3D, yada yada yada, and I can't see it because it's inside the building. So I'm going to pick on an exterior wall. I'm going to say modify. I'm going to select on an exterior wall, and then I'm going to come down here and temporary hide, and I'm going to hide the whole category, all my exterior walls. Now you can see here better that here's my set of stairs, and it's got an assembled stairs already. It's going up, and but it's the wrong way. but no big deal for now. But you can see we can put stairs in by doing a straight run, by specifying the start point and then specifying the end point. And we can check all our properties. If I go in here and I come into my properties, here are all my properties that I have of this. Sorry, got to get the and I can filter this out and say I just want the stairs. Right. So we just want the stairs at this point. Okay. And let's turn everything back on. Let's reset that. We'll go back into our first floor plan. So we got it backwards, but no big deal. I just wanted to show you how you can click on the wall here and go somewhere. But let's go in and erase it. And now let's do one more. Alright. Alright, now let's go up to architecture. Let's go to stair by component. Let's go to a straight. And let's just pick way out here in space. Boom. Drag it right up. And you can see, do we have enough? No. Let's do that one more time. Let's go way out here. Boink. And we're going to go all the way up to, and we're going to pick right to here. And we're going to finish that. So we didn't get any warnings, which is good. Now I got it going up the right way. We also would like to see that in a 3D view. And let's go and pick on things. Let's get rid of those walls. So I'm going to hide the category. And here is my stairs. Okay. Now, you'll notice something here. The stairs went right on by the second level. It kept going. Nothing told it to stop at those stairs. So, when we went to those stairs and we said, the base level is first floor, the top level is the second floor. But we didn't, we came along and it just kept going. So I didn't get a chance to pick on that one, and it went all the way up in that case. So we can go back and edit stairs and fix them later and shorten them up. But you can see stairs are involving, and we also have to cut an opening out, which we learned earlier, which we don't have. So it does take some time to get the stairs and get all the calculations right. And then once you get it down for one, you can copy it from floor to floor.